The Ferraris almost have a personality to them. It's different. Something, it's not tangible. It's how you feel. It's how you feel, and I don't feel that way about any other car. So I was just looking through the Auto Trader, and I was originally going to build a car. I was going to build a Cobra 427 kit car like a lot of people do. And I just went Ferrari on Auto Trader, no specific model, and there was only 2 pages. It wasn't like I was going to have 100 pages to sift through. And it was all of Ontario, and I found a 308 there, and I thought, well, I'll buy that car, and I knew nothing about them. I'm a mechanic, so I know about cars, but I knew nothing about Ferraris, and it was quite a shock going from a Hemi Roadrunner to a 308, because they absolutely have no torque compared to a big block, anything really, or even a domestic car. They lack that, but they make up for it and everything else. So I bought my 308. And then I parked it in the garage, and it sat there for a couple of months because we were moving to the next place. And I started to go through the car, and then I wound up restoring it. I wound up taking it all apart, and I'd restored cars before. I was no stranger to that, but I was a stranger to restoring Ferraris. So I restored that car, and that's how it all started. So, and then I was hooked. I got the bug big time. It's tough to explain. It's an iconic car, and I guess one thing that I like about Ferrari is a race team that builds road cars to fund the racing, whereas any of the other automakers are an automaker that dabbles in racing. So Ferrari is the only one that has that has that history for doing things that way, and that's what it's all about. So naturally, the road cars are going to be derived from race cars instead of something that's totally different from the road car if you were to buy a Toyota or a Honda. The Ferraris, it's exciting. It's exciting to be able to come out here and work on such a cool car that a lot of people don't even get to ride in or see, you know, and it's a dream car, I guess. I'm a Ferrari mechanic. I'm a mechanic by trade. I've been licensed for 20 years, and I've been working on Ferrari since 2001.